Morning, vagabonds. I'm leaving the hostel here in São Pedro. São Pedro de Rates. There's a lot of cars coming through this morning. A little bit busy, but yeah, I thought last night I was going to be passing out early. Turned out not to be the case. The Albergue that I was at here ended up doing a purification ceremony, which was kind of interesting. Yeah, so I know I was talking a lot about anger and going through the grieving process through that. So that was kind of a neat little ceremony of sorts to deal with the emotions of grief. But looks like today is going to be a beautiful day. We're supposed to sprinkle a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to try to get to Tamel. I'll be going through Barcelos. So if I make it to Barcelos, I'm like, that's too much. I'll stop there. But yeah, I'll try to give you some beautiful sights along the way. Right, so I guess technically I made a wrong turn off of the central route of the Portuguese Camino, but you know, sometimes you just put where you need to be, I guess. This is absolutely gorgeous where I'm going. I'm just a little bit out of my way, so I'll catch back up to the actual portion of the Camino and see where it takes me. I am here in Barcelos, Portugal, heading up to Tamel. I am pretty sore, but one thing that I thought that I should go into is maybe a little bit of gratitude. Going through difficult times, checking in with what I'm grateful for is it's a good thing to do. So, I'm grateful that I'm able to do this trip. It's not something that everybody gets called to do. It's not something that people are even willing to do. It is difficult, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the feelings that I feel and honor them. And yeah, so there's just some of the things that I'm grateful for as I'm walking on this way, and probably check in with you all when I'm at the Albergue because I'm tired. All right, had a fun day. It was exhausting. It's the most steps that I've ever taken in a day in my life, but wasn't sure who all would end up being here at the Albergue in Tamel, but it was a bunch of people from the last Albergue, so it was exciting to be making new friends and just enjoying this time with them, having food and everything. But if you enjoyed this journey, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. It's getting late, so I'm gonna head out, and I'll have a next video tomorrow about a different stage of grief. But yeah, until then, até amanhã.